My name's Andrew Stotz of Stotz Investment Research, talking about world-class benchmarking for Jasa Marga. The company is about $3.1 billion in market cap and is an Indonesian-based company focused on the business of management, maintenance, and the development of toll roads. In 2018, it added 320 kilometers of toll roads. The company conducts technical planning, construction, operations, and maintenance of toll roads, and of course acquires land and toll areas with facilities and other businesses. It's got an 80% market share of Indonesian toll roads. Currently, the Wall Street Journal reports that there's 10 analysts covering the company, 6 rated as a buy, 1 as overweight, 2 as a hold, none as underweight, and 1 as a sell. Before we start, let me tell you the story of world-class benchmarking. As a sell-side analyst, I built a successful career analyzing the performance of companies. In 1995, I co-founded CoffeeWorks, a B2B coffee roaster in Bangkok with my best friend, Dale. Back then, I worked full-time at an investment bank, so my role with CoffeeWorks was only to advise the management team about how to become financially world-class. So helping the team turned out to be a challenge. I started with the traditional analysis that I did at work, like profit margin, ROE, and growth. But the managers didn't understand these concepts. Next, since I was not only a practitioner but also a teacher of finance, I tried to teach them. Bad news, the team had little interest in learning finance. I needed to develop a simple finance tool to help our team become financially world-class. To do this, I combined 3 core resources: a database of the financial performance of every company in the world, my knowledge of which financial ratios matter most to increase the value of a business, and my experience simplifying finance concepts from years of teaching. With the combination of the 3, I created the world-class benchmarking scorecard for CoffeeWorks. The scorecard focuses the management team on only one financial measure. It's easy to understand since it contains no financial ratios. It's not overwhelming. The one-page format arrives monthly. It doesn't change. Like in sports, the team knows when they are winning. And it challenges a team to become financially world-class by beating global peers. Now, I use the world-class benchmarking scorecard for every company. Here are 3 things you need to know about it. First, the single measure is profitable growth, a combined score of profitability and growth. Second, a company's performance is ranked against its global peers. 1 is best, 10 is worse. Third, the scorecard presents 5 years, including the most recent 12 months. Now, let's use it on Jasa Marga. What we can see is the profitable growth rank of 8 was down compared to the prior period's 7, and that was down compared to the prior period's 5. So it's been in a fall, and this was below average performance relative to 1,450 large industrial companies worldwide. So what has been driving that? Well, what we can see is the recent profitability rank of 7 was the same as its growth rank of 7, both below average. Profitability of 7 was the same compared to the prior periods, so it's been flat. Again, below average. In fact, both profitability and growth have been falling for the company. The growth rank was down compared to the prior period. And if we look at where this weakness is coming from, we can see that it's related to the profit margin. The profit margin has fallen from a rank of 2 down to a most recent rank of 4. And we can also see that the growth in revenue has also fallen. So this gives us a little bit of idea about the performance of Jasa Marga. Let me ask you, do you want to be world-class? If you're a CEO, email me to see how world-class benchmarking scorecard can make your company financially world-class. If you're an investor, well, leave a company name in the comments below and I'll see if I can rank it. My name's Andrew Stotz and I challenge you to become world-class.